One afternoon the bears were walking home through the forest when a rabbit hopped past. "Why?" said wise old bear. "Because I could hop," said brown bear. "It's better than being a bear." And he tried to hop, but it didn't really work. Then a bird flew past, going "Squawk!" "Gosh!" said little bear. "I wish I was a bird." "Why?" said wise old bear. "Because I could fly and squawk," said little bear. "From now on I will be a bird." And he tried to fly, but it didn't really work. "So you're a rabbit and you're a bird," said wise old bear as they arrived at their cottage. "That's right," said brown bear with a little hop. "Squawk!" said little bear. "That's a pity," said wise old bear. "You won't be able to come to my tea party." "What tea party?" they said. "The one I'm having now. Only bears are invited." "Oh, I was only joking," said little bear. "Yes," said brown bear, "we are teddy bears, really." Said wise old bear. "I'm not so sure. You look more like a rabbit to me." "No," squeaked brown bear, "we are teddy bears, promise." Wise old bear smiled and opened the door. "So being a teddy bear isn't so bad after all?" he said. "No," said little bear, gazing at the table full of party treats. "It's the best thing to be," and it was.